Welcome, my sleepy friends, to this quiet space, a place where your thoughts can drift away like stardust on a cosmic breeze. Tonight, we are going to travel together beyond the stars, beyond the galaxies, into the most mysterious realms of the universe. We're going to explore black holes, places where time and space are twisted into shapes we can barely imagine. Before we begin, make yourself comfortable. Feel the bed beneath you, holding you, safe and still. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out tension. One more time, fill your lungs with quiet and exhale, letting go of everything. Let your body grow heavy and your mind light as air. You are safe here, and soon you'll drift into a soft, deep sleep. But before you do, let's journey into the darkness and discover the secrets it holds. Out there, in the vast ocean of space, are islands of darkness, black holes. They are not empty and not just shadows. They are real and they are powerful. Imagine floating through the stars, the Milky Way spread out like a river of light, countless suns twinkling in the distance, clouds of gas and dust glowing faintly like watercolor strokes in the dark. And then you see it, a circle, a perfect circle, blacker than anything you've ever seen. It doesn't shine, it doesn't reflect. It swallows all light and keeps it forever. Around it, stars seem to stretch and swirl, their light bending, twisting, as if space itself is melting. This is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross it, you can never escape. Not even light can get out. But where do black holes come from? They are born from death. Long ago, a giant star burned bright. It lived for millions of years, shining, warming its planets, lighting up the cosmos. But even stars cannot live forever. When the fuel runs out, gravity takes over. The star collapses in on itself, falling, crushing, shrinking, until all its mass is packed into a space smaller than you can imagine. And when that happens, a black hole is born, a place where the pull of gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Not you, not me, not even light. And at its heart, the singularity waits, a point of infinite density, a place where our laws of physics break apart. We don't know what truly lies there. Is it an end or a beginning? Now, picture yourself slowly drifting closer. There is no sound in space, but somehow you feel the silence deepen. It's not empty silence. It's full of weight, full of gravity. As you near the horizon, something strange happens. Time slows down. If someone far away watched you fall, they would see you freeze at the edge, never crossing. But from your view, time feels normal. You just keep falling. An hour for you could be 1,000 years. Out there, the black hole is a time machine, and you are part of the clock. Let that thought wrap around you like a blanket. The universe is vast, and time is soft, and you are drifting deeper. What happens when you cross the horizon? Would you feel it? Would it hurt? Number, you wouldn't feel a thing at first, but the gravity would begin to stretch you, gently at first, then more and more. Scientists call it spaghettification. Your body stretched like a noodle, atom by atom. But before that happens, something even stranger unfolds. You pass through, into the unknown. What lies beyond? We don't know. Maybe another place, another time, another universe. Some believe black holes could be portals, gateways to other worlds, tunnels through the fabric of reality. We call them wormholes. Imagine falling into a black hole and emerging somewhere else entirely, light years away, or even in another universe. The thought is beautiful and terrifying and soothing all at once. There are questions we still cannot answer. What happens to the things that fall inside? Do they vanish, or do they leave a trace written on the black hole's surface like a cosmic memory? This is the information paradox, one of the greatest puzzles in science. Stephen Hawking spent decades thinking about it. He believed black holes aren't truly black. They glow very faintly with what we now call Hawking radiation. Slowly, over trillions of years, a black hole might evaporate away. Imagine that. The darkest thing in the universe fading to nothing, like a candle going out. And when that happens, what remains? Do the secrets vanish with it, or do they return to the stars? No one knows. And maybe that's the beauty of it. As you drift here in the calm of space, let's wonder together about what we know and what we still don't know about these silent giants. Black holes are born from death, and yet they can live for longer than we can imagine. Some are small, just a few times heavier than the sun. Others are monsters, billions of times heavier, resting at the heart of galaxies. There's even one at the center of our own Milky Way. We call it Sagittarius A star. It waits there, quiet, calm, holding our galaxy together. If you looked at a black hole, you wouldn't see it. You'd only see the stars warping around it, light itself bent into strange shapes as it falls inward. And the closer you get, the slower time becomes. If you hovered near the edge and looked back, the universe would race ahead of you. Stars would age, galaxies would drift apart, while for you, only moments pass. Black holes can even spin, and when they do, they twist space-time like a whirlpool in a river. Sometimes they devour stars. A sun wanders too close and is torn apart, its pieces spiraling inward, disappearing forever. But not everything falls in. Some energy escapes as blazing jets of particles shooting out at nearly the speed of light, like cosmic lighthouses in the dark. And yet, for all we know, there is so much we don't. What happens inside? Does matter vanish? Does it go somewhere else? Is it crushed into nothingness? Or does it create something new? Could a black hole be a doorway to another place, another time, another universe? Some believe black holes may be connected by tunnels through space, wormholes. If so, where do they lead? And then there's the greatest mystery of all, the singularity, the heart of the black hole, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break apart like glass. Perhaps in the far future, black holes will be the last things left. When stars burn out and galaxies fade away, only black holes will remain, slowly, ever so slowly, evaporating through Hawking radiation. Imagine that, trillions upon trillions of years from now, in the darkness of the dying universe, a single black hole gently fading into nothing, the end of everything, and yet maybe the beginning of something else. Now, as we float here beyond time, beyond space. Let yourself feel weightless. There is no rush, no noise, only calm. The black hole isn't frightening anymore. It's quiet and endless and gentle. It pulls you in, not with fear, but with peace. You are safe here, held by the universe itself. Let your thoughts go. You don't need them now. Not the questions, not the answers, just darkness, soft and deep, like the night sky. Your breath, slow and easy. Your body, melting into the bed. Feel sleep like gravity, pulling you in, deeper and deeper. And as you drift, know this: you are part of the cosmos, part of its story, part of its mystery. Good night, traveler among the stars. Sleep well and dream of the infinite.